Hey guys, I'm Max. This is my first video. Thanks for watching. In this video, I'm going to try and add 2 feet of lattice to the top of my fence to create a little bit more privacy in our backyard. Come check it out. We got this elevated deck. You can kind of see into the neighbors all over, especially as I come over here.
$2,200 later, and we are ready to go. We're going to be focusing on the 4x4s for the top of the fence posts.
All right, this is what I'm talking about. You see that? It's too far forward. The back looks good, but this is why I need to remove some of that. Nice. Need another one of those. All right, guys, that's it for day 6. I got the posts up along the fence here. All right, we're back. Today, I am focusing on putting some lattice together and installing it on this long fence part that we have. Charlotte just planted some bulbs. Disco decided to go digging. Spirited. Some pets too. You gotta get some pets too. Yeah, good boy. Good boys. So the way we're doing this lattice is one piece on top of the other. The big thing I had to make sure for this project is that I wanted these inside pieces to all be facing the same direction, kind of like on that angle, all the way along the top of the fence. buddy? I had all these hooks from Christmas lights. Gotta get rid of them. This piece right here is making it so there's a big gap underneath the lattice. So I'm gonna have to go ahead and kind of remove that a little bit. And then the other piece of lattice is just gonna go in, boop, right like that. Woo! Much better. This is the bigger gauge framing gun, so I've been using this to drive into the 4x4s. Needs a battery. Next up, we're gonna put another piece of trim, but on the back side of it, so it kind of creates a sandwich at the top. The one good thing about doing this fencing is that it is super rewarding. Put up 8 feet at a time, and it feels like you're making good progress. And now, build more lattice. Lattice built. Found it's easier to work on the side of the fence. It's easier to drive the nails through the top trim pieces as well as into the 4x4 for the support. We've got another set of lattice that's ready to go, as well as the 2 pieces of trim, a 10-foot piece on the outside, and then that roughly 8-foot piece in between the 2 posts. So we're gonna get that lattice up and sandwich the 2 trim pieces on top and nail it all together. I just want to show you why I've been cutting the lattice, so then it can marry up pretty tight like that. that's the basic flow of it. I'm gonna knock out some more panels right now and report back. Well, I am out of gas for today. I think I started at this panel. I think I got 4 panels up. It's looking good. Had like a little gap right there, but you know what? I think it looks fine. Finally, from the outside. Coming together. And then we're gonna go around. The gate will be fun. Big block of ice all the way around here. Oh. Final day. I think I got like 3 hours left. Excited to get this project done. I'm down to the scraps of wood, so I'm just measuring everything twice just to make sure I can get these gates done. But in terms of waste, I did a pretty good job ordering, if I do say so myself. Got 1 extra piece of lattice, but no more of the trim pieces. Finished, finally. Fence is complete. Look at it, so nice. Can walk around the yard naked now. Yeah, do you want to see it? Let's check it out. All right, so this is what the gate looks like. A little bit of a pain to get the gate done, but managed. Boom. Check it out. Looks epic. Did like some posts here. Some caps is actually more appropriate. It's got that going there. I'm happy with the way the gate came out. It actually looks really good. And then we got the whole fence line here. Check it out. Oh yeah. And then the fence runs all. Putting these fence posts on was such a pain in the neck. But I did it. And I am very happy about it. All these posts I reinforced last year, I dug out along this whole fence. Maybe I'll include a picture there, but dug it out and put concrete in because this whole fence was leaning forward. So I supported it by riding the fence and putting like 80-pound bags of concrete in each of the posts. And so I feel good about having this extension on top. I feel like it should last. This is all pressure treated lattice and trim and 4x4s, so it will last. The color will fade, it'll get to like this gray eventually, but I think at least for a year it will be kind of bright and have a little bit of a color to it, which is fine. I think it looks great, actually. Can't believe the project's done. It was about probably like 40 hours worth of work, and then I spent so much time like researching and looking at options and trying different things. It was like, it's a pretty big project, to be honest. All right, here's this other side. This one was really interesting because along this side, I had some posts put in. When they fixed the leaning fence, they put in all these posts. So I was able to just tie into all those posts on this side. I'm happy. This came out really good. Just that sense of accomplishment right now where I've been working on something for so long and there's moments when you don't think it's ever gonna end, and then you just keep working and pushing through, and then you're there. You've done it. I don't know if I love these lights along the fence on this side. We'll see. Might put them higher. But yeah, and then inside, and then it just goes all the way around. Let's walk it. Inside lattice, I could just tie into that 4x4, so I didn't have to like do any caps or anything. It just came together really nicely. Yeah, pretty straight for a fence, not bad. Ladder in here. Oh, what a pain in the neck, just trying to like move through all of these bushes like this. But we did it, we got there. That corner. Finally all the way down. Again, I had to like trim back all these bushes. All the way down. It was a big project. It was no joke. And that cool plunge is there. But it's done, and I'm so happy about it. Biggest thing is now when you're on this deck, before you could kind of see into our neighbors because of being elevated, but now we just have privacy. Yeah, do we like the fence? Do we like the fence? Yeah. I am gonna try and put out some more videos like this. Just my projects, hobbies, things that I'm working on. Really appreciate you watching. Stay tuned. Bye. Gah!